Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, Walgreens is amazing this week. I know my video is coming out just a little bit later than it normally does on Sunday mornings, but I promise there's a reason. I didn't sleep in, even though I wanted to. There were some 90% off grocery deals this morning at the store I stopped at, and so I ended up going to 2 more stores to try to take pictures for you guys. So I have lots of pictures of clearance items. I'm going to show you each of the deals that I did, the coupons I used, how I got all of this stuff you see here for less than $5. I also have a scenario for the spend $65, get $15 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. So just tons of deals to talk about today. So let's jump straight into it. While I say that, I do want to remind you I have a giveaway going on. So last week's Walgreens video, I posted about a giveaway. I'm announcing that winner in my Walmart video this Wednesday. So there is still time to get entered in that giveaway. Hop on over to my Walgreens video from last week to get entered to win a $50 gift card. All right, now let's get into the deals. Let's first talk about Curbside promo codes. There is the code SUMMER15 that you can use to get 15% off. I use the code SUMMER20 that's giving 20% off on non-sale items. So I did do a lot of these deals as Curbside, a couple in store. I'll tell you which ones were which, of course. But if you're placing as Curbside, the prices tend to be lower online. You can also use promo codes like that one, SUMMER20. Let's start with some freebies. Okay, there is a Revlon toenail clipper, $2.29. I had a $3 digital coupon that makes this item completely free. Now, if you do this deal in store, the cost of the product you purchase has to be more than the value of the coupon. So if it's a $3 digital coupon, you have to have a product that is $3 or more, or that coupon is not going to come off in store. Online, it will adjust down. So it was $2.29. That $3 digital coupon adjusted down to $2.29. Now, easy deal on this Epsom salt. It is $1.99. I had a $1.50 digital coupon, making it just 49 cents. Let me tell you about a Curbside freebie. Check and see if you have a $7 digital coupon for Maybelline products. I picked up 2 of these Maybelline eye pencils for $6.73. I had that $7 digital coupon, which made both packs of these completely free. Another easy online deal is with these Blink tiers. This is priced at $7.49. There is a $3 digital coupon as well as a $4 store coupon. So that's $7 in coupons. You would pay a total of 49 cents. Now, you can do this deal in store. I'm just not sure how much this is in store. Online, it's only $7.49, making it just 49 cents. This deal you could do either in store or online. These are $2.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, making them just 99 cents. And you can use Walgreens Cash to pay for any of these deals that I'm talking about. You just wouldn't want to use Walgreens Cash to pay if you're doing a spend deal, and I'll talk about that a little bit more in just a moment. This is a deal anyone can do. Buy 2 of these Colgates priced at $3.99. There is a $3 digital coupon, so you will pay $4.98, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, making them both free and a 2-cent moneymaker. You can do that in store. You can do it as a Curbside deal. The deal is going to work the same either way. And yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay on these, and you'll still get Walgreens Cash back. I also picked up 2 of these Shea moisture soaps. I know a lot of people love these soaps. They're buy one, get one half off. So $4.19 for one, $2.09 for the other. There is a $4 digital coupon, making your final cost $2.28 or just $1.14 each. Now, I did notice some Shea Moisture products on clearance at my store, right over the $5 mark. So you could use that $4 digital there if you wanted to and get different products in store. The CoverGirl, I also did as a curbside order. The CoverGirl powder is $4.99. I had a $4 digital. I also picked up the CoverGirl eyeliner at $4.79, I believe, was the regular price. It's going to ring up half off because they're buy one, get one half off. So $4.99, and then this one rings up $2.39. Okay, I had a $4 digital on both of them. But the digitals, when there is a buy one, get one half off sale, they don't take the full amount off. So they took quite a bit off, leaving my final cost to be just $1.33 for both of these items. Now the eyebrow pencil is a little bit cheaper. It's just not something I use, so I picked up something I used instead, which was like 30 cents more. But if you're looking for the best, lowest cost deal, the eyebrow pencil is a little bit cheaper, and you can use both of those $4 digital coupons, and you'll pay just a little bit more than $1 for both of those items. I also picked up this L'Oreal eye makeup remover. I love this eye makeup remover. They're also buy one, get one half off, but I had an $8 digital coupon. It's an only for you, so check and see if you have it. But I picked up two of them, one at $7.79. The second one's gonna ring $3.89, that half off price. I had an $8 digital coupon, as well as there's a promo right now. As soon as I put these in my cart, an additional like 10% coupon came off automatically. It took off 37 cents, leaving me to pay $3.31 total for both of these items, or just $1.65 each. Of course, I'm gonna show you how I put this together in that spend 65 scenario to get everything completely free. I also picked up two of these Got to Be glued hairsprays. They are $5.59 each. I had a $5 digital coupon. These are regular price, so that summer 20 coupon code took off another $1.24, leaving me to pay $4.94, getting back $3 on Ibotta, making my final cost $1.94 for both of them, or just 97 cents each. Now, if you are brand new to Ibotta, it is a free app. I do have a complete tutorial on it, but grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. And I have another Ibotta deal I'm going to tell you about. It's on these Nivea body washes. These are $5 each. They're on promotion. Buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to buy 3 of them at $15. Okay? We're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back, but we're also going to get $2 back on each of them from Ibotta. So that's $11 cash back, making our final cost $4 for all 3 of them, or just $1.33 each. So great, great deals. Now, I think this Poise one, and this was kind of a splurge purchase to get me to that 65. These are 2 for $11. I had a $5 digital coupon. I also got back $2 on the Fetch Rewards app, making my final cost $4 for both of them, or just $2 per pack. It's more than I would typically spend on a product that I don't need. But again, when I put it in that spend 65, get 15 scenario, it makes everything completely free. So I'll tell you about that here in just a moment. All right, now, when I went into the store, I noticed a ton of food 90% off. These nice organic, what is it? Cheddar puffs. These bad boys were just 30 cents for the pack. I also picked up the peanut butter kind energy bars. Those were 25 cents, 90% off. These Epic beef jerky. These were on clearance for just 30 cents, again, 90% off. And then this pack of Nature Valley bars was 46 cents. There is an Ibotta offer for 25 cents back when you buy 2, as well as a 50-cent bonus. My store only had 1 box. So obviously if I could have grabbed 2 boxes, that would have been a better deal. I have more pictures at the end of the video. Lots of things were tagged, but my store was out of the product, so I couldn't buy them to show you, but I do have pictures of the tags at the end of the video. Now, another in-store deal I did was on the toothbrushes, because we now know If it is a register reward deal, we have to do that deal in store. We can't do it curbside, right? So I bought 3 of these Oral-B toothbrushes. The Gum Care are the ones I grabbed at $4 each. That's $12. I had a $7 digital coupon, so I paid $5 at checkout. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, and then I got $5 back in register rewards. It worked perfectly, no issues. Thank you, amazing morning at Walgreens. Now, I also picked up these Tide Simplies, priced at $3.29. They're on promotion this week for buy 3, get $3 in register rewards. Now, when I checked out, not only did I get $3 in register rewards, I got back $3 in Walgreens cash as well, making my final cost for all 3 of these packs $3.87 or $1.29 each. So that is a glitch that is happening as of this morning, Sunday morning. Amazing deal on the Tide Pods. No coupons needed. Now, the other deal I did online I forgot to mention to you, I mentioned this last week because these Fabulosos are $2.49. They're buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash, but you can use that code SUMMER20. So it will, you'll take 2 of these at $2.49. That SUMMER20 code will take $1 off, leaving you to pay $3.98. You'll get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making it 98 cents for both of them or just 49 cents each. Whew, okay. Did I talk about everything? I think I did. Now let me tell you all the products that I put together to do the spend 65, get 15. It ends up being all free and a $3 moneymaker. Stay with me for a minute. The deals are all the same as what I just told you. We're just putting them together into a bigger transaction because I had that booster coupon in my digital coupons clipped for when I spend $65, I'm gonna get $15 back. Now I have to spend $65 after Walgreens coupons. So that store coupon I mentioned on the Blink, I have to make sure I'm at least at $69 because that $4 store coupon will drop me down to $65. Also, those promo codes, the SUMMER20 and the 37 cents that came off on the L'Oreal, those have to come off before we hit our spend amount that we need, right? So here are the products that I bought. I grabbed the 3 Nivea at $15. I grabbed the 2 Got2Bs. I got the L'Oreal. I got the Colgate, the Shea Moisture, the Blink, the Bic Razor, the 2 packages of Poise, the Epsom salt, and the Maybelline products. I also got the Revlon nail clipper. My total cost before any coupons came off was $84.61. After the Walgreens coupon codes and the $4 store digital for the Blink, I am at $78.35. Now, I was not trying to get as close to 65 as possible. I was just doing my regular shopping, okay? So you could take some stuff out if you want to. Just make sure you are at your spend amount after the Walgreens coupons come off. Okay, so $78.35. After all of my manufacturer coupons came off, I was at $33.02. That is what I paid. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash to pay, okay? So $33.02, then I used $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. I got back $5 for the Nivea, $5 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I got back $15 for spending $65. I got back the $6 on Ibotta for the Nivea. I got back $3 on Ibotta for the Got2B. And I got back $2 on Fetch for the Poise, making everything I just mentioned completely free and a $2.98 moneymaker. Whew! That was a good one, and I haven't done a big spend booster in a while, so hopefully you enjoyed that. If you're finding amazing deals, let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end of the video where I show you clearance pictures. Also, and I almost forgot to tell you this, remember those Procter & Gamble products, these toothbrushes, and I feel like I bought one more thing that was Procter & Gamble. I'll remember as soon as the video's over. Those toothbrushes are, oh, the Tide, duh, the Tide. They're Procter & Gamble products. So submit them to PG Good Everyday Rewards. You will get points for buying those products, and then you can cash out those points to gift cards. If you are brand new to that program, it is completely free. I'll drop a link below. Use my link, sign up, totally free, and start scanning those coupons and getting yourself some gift cards. Hope you'll have a great start to the week, and stay tuned for my next video.